Good morning, everyone. Now, chapter 3, motion of the earth. So, let's do the map activity of this chapter. So, first on the diagram given on the left, insert the following. So, here, day and night. So, first you write down day and night. As you know, a place on the surface of the earth has a day when it faces the sun and the night when it turns away from the sun. So write down day over here and night. Day and use black color for night. Okay, night. Done. Then mark X, Y, Z. X point, Z point, and Y point. Mark everyone over here. X, Z, and Y. Okay, fine everyone. Earth's rotation. Earth rotate from west to east. So here you write down Earth. These arrow you write down Earth rotation. Earth's rotation. Fine. On these arrow. Now next one. Mark N and S. Mark N and S. Sorry. N S. N S. Fine. Then sun rays. Here you write down these are sun rays. Sun rays. Now next, sunrise, noon and sunset. So where is sunrise? Or at this point, look at here everyone. This point. sunrise. Now, at what point sunset? Sorry, it is sunset. Earth move rotate from west to east, so it is sun set. And now here at this point, look at here there. Write down sunset. Here is sunset. Here is sunset and here is sunrise. Now the earth moved from west to east. Here is sunrise. Write down sun. Rise. Now where is noon? At this point, here, the middle of sunrise and sunset, noon. Okay. Now color the night portion black and day portion yellow. Color this portion with yellow. Yellow. And this portion with black. Night portion with black. Color everyone. I hope it is okay with everyone, understood by all. And I hope that everyone done this. Now look at the length of the day and night. Find, write down over here, length of the day and night. Here you write down 10.5 hours day light. Ten and a half hours day light. Next, write down 12 hours, 12 hours day light. Now write down here sun rays. Then write down over here 13.5 hour day, light. Now at 12 hours, day, light. Now 10 hours, 10 and a half hours, daylight. I hope it is understood by all and mentioned by all. Here you write down long day, because the face of the earth, this face of the earth is कहाँ है? Sun side, okay? And this portion, short night. Short night. Okay. Now opposite. Here long night and short day. Write down here equator. Equator. And now here write down short day. Okay, and here you write down long night. Short night, long night, long day, short day, and equator. At reverse, here right? If the long day is here, write down short day. Okay, now write down here again equator. Then write down here long day. Fine. Now I come at this portion of the earth. Write down long night. And here short night. I hope it is clear to all. Now everyone first you put the mark the positions. So you mark this position 1, at this position 2, this position 3, 4. So if we have 4 position in the row, if we come to know the concept of this revolution of the earth, first we mark the 4 position, 1, 2, 3, 4 position. Now here you write down the date on each and every position. So at this position, you write down the date on 21st March. Everyone, 21st March. And put comma and then right now spring equinox. And the part of the earth facing the, at this position, the part of the earth facing the sun. Look at here. Sun. So this part facing the part of the earth facing the sun. Now come to the next position. This is position number 21st June. Comma, this is summer solstice. Solstice. Wait. Okay. Now at this position, the summer at northern hemisphere and winter at southern hemisphere. Come on the position number 3rd, 23rd September. Comma, this is autumn equinox. Autumnal now mark this position, the part of the turn away from the sun, this part. Which part? Here the turn facing the sun, this part, and here the this portion of the earth turn the away, this ways away from the sun. Now I come at this position, 22nd December. Comma, winter solstice. Fine. So here is the northern hemisphere is away from the sun. So here is a winter solstice. Okay. And here you mark down mark SP South Pole, and here you mark NP North Pole. Again you write mark over here NP and here SP. Now here mark NP. There is NP SP. South Pole, North Pole. So I think it is clear for everyone. Done by all? Everyone done? Now come to the next figure. If you look at this next figure, this is wrong because the axis never turn its direction. Axis always tilt, earth axis always tilt east direction. So you draw this figure over here. This is wrong. Okay. Next, with the help of these pictures, you will do find out the second, third option, the symbol, right? Name the symbol.